Okay. I just don't know why a lot of people say seem to like this map. Like it's so kind of bland and boring. I don't even know how people would literally just play this all the time. But you win some, you lose some. And besides, this other people think this one's pretty neat. Yeah. Okay, there's nothing in the tennis court. So I'm guessing it's clear. Oh, he's a candy outside the tennis court. I guess that's one. Need 3 more cans to go. I feel like the only thing is that, well, the only thing is that how makes it much more better is with more people that know about much about the layout and know what to do. Which, yeah, I think that's kind of a bit true. And besides, the more people we have here, the more we'll be able to find all the cans in a big nick of time. Judging by how difficult this place is. Alright. Okay, there's nothing down here, so we're good. I feel like someone already checked the house, so... Oh, I think I already checked the house. It might be behind those rocks. Around like this part, like over here. Because usually, the last time I checked and played this map, there was one right behind these big boulders. Okay, here, let me actually do that. I don't know if it's like around here, or was it like where? So I'm fucking. At least we have like a pin in the flashlight so we can see. And I feel like I'm not. Okay, now I'm like running circles around this whole place now. It's crazy. I don't know what to do. Clear, clear, clear. I'm good. Alright, let's go. Let's escape. Wait. The exit over there was clear, so I guess this way? Yep, this way. Alright. We'll just have to wait for Bulldozer and Skulldozer to get here. One of them has to come. Charge in with the guns and all.
You should have listened!
Oh, who died? What? Boom, 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 boom. I want you in my room. Oh. Here. No.
Victory.
Alright. Yeah, that was a very good round. I'm still thinking that summer camp's still a bit but could be me.